to sing to you. I look around, it's plain to see there's so much work to do.
So much work to do.
I guess it's time to plant a tree or two. The colors of the world have changed, and I'm feeling blue. Everything is turning gray. What am I gonna do? I guess it's time to plant a tree or two. Did you know a tree purifies the air? A tree can grow almost anywhere. Some can grow to 104. So please don't destroy them anymore. You can climb a tree and hide away. Smell the leaves in early May. Pick an apple or a pear. Killing the trees is so unfair. You can give another bird a home. It's so easy to do. Owls and squirrels and butterflies would agree with you.
Everyone else would.
I guess it's time to plant a tree or two.